Hi, my name is Minesh and this is my wife Sankri. We are from Stapak.
Okay, I saw an ad in social media, which is Instagram. That's how I got to know about JomCuci, and we wanted to give it a try.
Just looking around to actually look into some like passive income. So once my wife introduced me about JomCuci, so we wanted to give a try, I would say. Okay, working with the management, I think they pretty much were in touch with us. They were actually scheduling an appointment with us on the first touch itself to explain about how does it work. So I think this is something, a very good kind of business, a passive income kind of business that you build up in a condominium area. So I would say to all those audience, all your clients, all outside, whoever is looking into JomCuci and so on, just stay positive. I'm sure that they will be actually building you up a positive kind of location. They'll be building a positive kind of vibe and also environment to you as well. JomCuci!